The Willamette Water Supply Program is looking to the future and developing the Willamette River as a reliable new source of drinking water to serve Tualatin Valley Water District and the cities of Hillsborough and Beaverton. The new supply is scheduled to be online in 2026, ready to serve over 250,000 residents and some of the state's largest employers. When completed, it will be Oregon's most resilient water supply system.
We need this water for the communities that we support, for their well-being, the economic development, and the growth of the communities. As we're designing this new infrastructure system, we're also designing it to be resilient and survivable following the earthquake.
For the Pacific Northwest, the threat is a Cascadia subduction zone earthquake with an expected magnitude of 9.0. The question isn't if this quake will strike, but when. The geology of our area makes some sections of our water supply system especially vulnerable to damage from seismic events. The Willamette Water Supply Program team is taking these risks into account. The new system will not only be an everyday source of water for customers well into the future, but also provide essential access to clean water after a quake.
Not having the Willamette Water Supply System after emergency is going to impact our ability to fight fires. We need a significant amount of water to fight the fires that are going to naturally occur after a disaster. But secondarily, we need to maintain clean, safe drinking water for public health. Public health crisis that can come after a disaster is significant. So having that source of clean water is going to reduce the health risks to the community.
New seismic guidelines and standards are being utilized throughout the design. That means the pipeline, water tanks, and state-of-the-art water treatment plant will be strengthened at key locations where engineers know things are likely to break. Additional money is spent only at the locations where engineering experts identify a high risk of failure potential in an earthquake.
There's no one solution for the entire pipe, so we're focusing on critical areas first and foremost. And what's unique about what we're doing on this program is we have to use more complex and sophisticated tools to not only analyze the pipe, but just to confirm that we're meeting the standards that we're setting related to strain in large ground deformation zones.
The water system is strengthened by using flexible pipeline joints that twist instead of break, highly sensitive monitors that automatically close valves when the earth shakes, and wrapping pipes in special fabric that hold the pipes in place when less stable soils fall away.
Resilient systems can be put back into service for the majority of the facilities within 24 hours. And the service goals for the Willamette Water Supply System is to be operational to 80% within 24 hours, which is extremely fast. Without this kind of design, it could take weeks to bring back essential supplies.
Our goal is for the new system to provide water well into the future, to be an alternative source if something happens to one of our other water supplies, and to remain functional following an earthquake. When completed in 2026, it will be Oregon's most resilient water supply system.